Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Petsmile Pet Toothpaste. Petsmile is the only VOHC recommended toothpaste for your pet with Calprox. Veterinary dentists choose Petsmile because of the high-quality ingredients that promote white teeth and healthy gums. The VOHC recognizes that Petsmile meets the highest standards for your pet's oral health. Using Petsmile toothpaste and brushing daily will significantly improve your pet's oral health. Petsmile's proprietary formula Calprox is clinically proven to inhibit plaque and tartar buildup, while whitening teeth by gently dissolving the protein pellicle. The protein pellicle is the thin biofilm that forms on the surface of the teeth, to which plaque, bacteria, and stains adhere. Removing the pellicle leaves your pet's teeth cleaner and whiter while improving gum health and providing kissable fresh breath. Ingredients include Calprox, deionized water, glycerin, citric acid, dicalcium phosphate dihydrate, cellulose gum, urea peroxide, carbopyl 934P, potassium hydroxide, flavor, sodium benzoate, phosphoric acid, and cetylpyridinium chloride. By using only human-grade ingredients, you can be certain that your pet is using the highest quality pet toothpaste on the market. Our second best cat toothpaste is Petrodex Dental Care Kit. The Petrodex Dental Care Kit includes everything you need to clean your cat's teeth in one easy-to-use kit. It includes one dual-ended toothbrush, one finger toothbrush, and delicious malt-flavored enzymatic toothpaste. With patented enzymes, this non-foaming formula cleans teeth, helps reduce tartar and plaque buildup, and fights bad breath, all without needing to rinse. With regular use, the Petrodex enzymatic toothpaste for cats in this Century Dental Kit helps reduce plaque and fights bad breath. The finger toothbrush is dual-ended and can adapt to small and large tooth surfaces. This cat dental toothbrush will keep your pet's teeth healthy and clean. Easily brush the hard-to-reach places in your dog's mouth with the long, double-sided toothbrush stick and scrub those plaque stains off their front teeth with the two double-sided finger toothbrush for dogs. Dog Dental Kit is gentle yet effective in reducing tartar buildup, eliminating dog's bad breath, and whitening and brightening your dog's teeth. Third in our list is Arm & Hammer Fresh Breath Dental Kit. Look no further than the Arm & Hammer Baking Soda enhanced formula of this cat oral care. This cat toothbrushing kit includes everything you need to kill bacteria that causes bad breath in cats and kittens. Freshen breath and eliminate bad cat dental health with Arm & Hammer. Specially formulated for kittens, this cat toothpaste is an enzymatic cat toothpaste, flavored like tuna and featuring a great fresh mint scent. Do you know how to help reduce periodontal and dental disease in cats and kittens? By regularly brushing your cat and kitten's teeth, you can help prevent cat dental issues and improve cat oral care. Made just for your small cat or kitten, this cat toothbrush and cat toothpaste keeps small cats and kittens' mouths healthy and clean. Maintaining your dog's oral health will be a breeze with our safe and edible beef-flavored doggy toothpaste. Easily brush the hard-to-reach places in your dog's mouth with the long, double-sided toothbrush stick and scrub those plaque stains off their front teeth with the two double-sided finger toothbrush for dogs. Number 4 in our best cat toothpaste list is Vetoquinol Enzadent Enzymatic Toothpaste. Our Enzadent Enzymatic Toothpaste is non-foaming, safe to swallow and contains a triple enzyme formula that works to remove food particles and plaque from your pet's teeth. Our toothpaste has a delicious poultry flavor that even the pickiest of pets will love. For best results, brush your pet's teeth regularly, daily if possible, to improve dental hygiene and help combat tooth decay and mouth illnesses. To help your cat or dog adjust to an oral cleaning routine, begin by only brushing a few teeth and then gradually increase the number of teeth brushed as your pet becomes used to the process and feeling. Enzadent toothpaste contains a delicious poultry-flavored enzymatic solution for cats and dogs. Help eliminate your pet's bad breath and combat harmful germ growth in your cat or dog's mouth. Non-foaming toothpaste removes food debris and plaque for healthy, polished teeth and fresh breath. Triple enzyme formula effectively cleans pets' teeth and can be safely swallowed without rinsing. Boost dental health and hygiene, and combat tooth and mouth illnesses, by brushing pets' teeth daily. Our last pick is Oxyfresh Premium Dog Toothpaste. Our fast-acting pet toothpaste gel gently helps stop dog and cat bad breath at the source, giving your furry friend all-day pet fresh breath. Advanced dog tartar remover for teeth and for cats, too. Works better than dog enzymatic toothpaste and is the ultimate way to help soothe and strengthen pet gums. You decide. Ultra versatile dog toothpaste dental gel can be rubbed directly on pet's gums with your finger, applied to a finger toothbrush or pet toothbrush, or even put on your pet's paw to lick off. Forget masking pet bad breath with stinky beef and liver flavored dog toothpaste, yuck. Oxyfresh is 100% free of flavor so you can 100% enjoy your bestie's breath. Perfect for senior dogs, small dog breeds, picky cats and crazy kittens. Dog toothpaste and toothbrush pet toothbrush dog and cat pet dental care set include 2 toothbrush 2 finger toothbrush and 2 toothpaste. It provides easy oral care, leaving your pet with fresh breath and healthy teeth and gums. This teeth cleaning set can help your puppy prevent canine bad breath, reduce the buildup of tartar and plaque by killing susceptible microorganisms. Perfect for reaching into the back of the dog's mouth and other hard to reach areas.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!